Hey, what's going on? This is Kid. New toy. So, I've been hearing a lot of good things about this. I got hooked up by Justin, of course. So we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing here and see what this thing is all about. So, it features, I should say, voice isolation technology, auto level mode, live stream ready, customized sound signature, real-time headphone monitoring, touch panel control, and this also has a mic stand compatible. You can also download the app Shure Plus Motiv app. Check it out. So I'll be doing all this and just seeing how it goes. So you know, a lot of people do boxes differently. Not me. I don't care about the goddamn box. So let's open this bad boy up and see what this is all about. That's right. Kid style. Alright, so bam. Overall, let's get this thing very sturdy. So peep this. A lot of them, there's a few already out there that probably have done the better job at this. So check out the back. Microphone, USB, XLR, and it's not phantom powered. So the other microphone that I have is phantom powered, and I wanted something that I just didn't want to deal with the phantom power anymore. So Justin hooked me up with this. You get you know, the paperwork, all the bundles. You get a quick start guide, and it does have a big thread on the back for the stand, so that's a plus, which means you can hook it up to a mic stand, which I have somewhere around here. It also comes with let's see what else it comes with. So it comes with your USB-C, so you'll be able to hook this up directly to your MacBook Pro or your PC. Check it out. And of course the A goes to here, and boom. So I'm thinking that's the way the app is gonna work. I don't know, because I haven't seen too many people use the app. I've done some YouTube videos researching, and I couldn't find anything. Oh, and then it also comes with the USB, a regular USB. So in case the old MacBook Pros don't have that new 3.0, that C right there. I don't know if you can check it out. So if your computer doesn't have this USB-C, you'll still be able to use it on your computer with the regular USB. And it's a 2.0, so I wonder how that's gonna feel. The sound is gonna be like being latency. And it also has a little adapter here for the smaller scales. So I mean, I'm gonna check it out, plug it in, and see how it sounds. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, so now I got the software, installed it, and so you got the auto level right here, preset. You can do near, far, dark. There's somebody else, I think Alpha Gaming, did a review on this for the sound quality. You could check that there. I'm not gonna do that here because it's already done. But this is the app, so you get tons of control. You know, your EQ flat. If you want less, if you have too much of a bass, you want it less. It's right there. You know, presence boost, of course. High pass. It has a built-in limiter as well, so that helps you when you're gonna yell, scream. That's perfect. Has a compressor as well. And it's, it's your mic gain, and of course, auto level, gotta love it. But so far, you know what, I'm digging it, and it's good. All right, so the way this would work out is you would plug in the USB after, of course, you install software on your computer, get up and running. Then you hook it up right here. You don't need XLR because all the audio is going to come directly to your laptop. And it's awesome. It sounds pretty good. So I have my Pioneer headphones hooked up to the back, and I can hear myself talk pretty good. Also, is touch. So right here, let's see if I can lower it anymore. I can't. But these are right here, just little for volume. So if we do this right here, that way you can see, this is just volume, which is pretty cool. And I think because I have it on auto, it's not working. But there you go. So this is for the background, and it goes down. So I mean, is it good? I like it. I'm impressed. The other one I had was cheaper, but I only got it because it came with the boom stand. Can't go bad. But Shure definitely went off the rails with this. And it's pretty good. It's decent. I have a fan running in the background, and with them on, I can't even hear the fan running. So this is definitely a must buy for podcasters, home recording, stuff like that. Put it to good use, definitely. So don't sleep on it. Once again, this is the Shure MV7, broken box and everything. Anyways, this is Kid. I'll check you guys out next time, and I will let you know once I play with it a little bit more. Peace.